license back.
Okay. So I can have my stuff from this what's the name right here, and then the 445 is for something different.
No. This ticket that you got at the airport, the prosecutor's offering the plea to the no operator's license on person, which isn't any points, and then they would dismiss the driving on suspended, the violation of the financial responsibility. The total that you would be left owing us would be 445, and I'd give you time to pay that. You do, unless you've already taken care of it. It looks like though that you still have to go to Madison Heights.
Yeah, I do gotta do that. But I'm just trying to figure out like, so if I agree to the plea, then do I still have to? Do I is my because I'm trying to get a car in a couple weeks, and I have money to pay Madison Heights, but I didn't know
This
about this
doesn't, you can go
145.
on a payment plan with us and it doesn't affect, we already gave you your clearance on this file for your license. We already gave you the $45 clearance that you paid us. So this doesn't, while you're on the payment plan, it doesn't prevent you from getting your driver's license back.
All right, that's what I was worried about.
Okay.
All right, yeah.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, I'll take the other thing.
Do you understand that by pleading, you're giving up your rights that's listed in the advisor rights form and you're going to plead guilty?
Yeah.
And is it true? And I'll waive that $100 in bench warrants and late fees.
Okay.
Is it true that you were at the airport in October of last year and you didn't have a valid license in your possession?
Wait, October. I'm trying to. All right, well, when was it? When did I get the ticket? Because I just know I was up there once.
October the 21st of 2019. It was for driving on a suspended and for the expired plate. You paid the expired plate to us and cleared it out. Do you understand?
Yeah. So wait, are you saying it was 2 times or 1 time?
I'm sorry. Ask again.
Are you saying that it was 2 times or 1 time that I was at the airport?
1 time.
All right, then, yeah. All right, yeah. I was.
Well, I don't know how many times you were there, but
it was
we
1 time.
only have the ticket for the 1 time.
All right, because you was confusing me, but all right, I get you.
I'm confusing you?
Yeah, so yeah, I'll agree to the plea.
Okay. So you were at the airport last year in October and you got pulled over and didn't have a valid license in your possession, correct?
Correct.
All right. I'll assess the cost that we discussed. It's $445. Do you need a payment plan?
Yes, I do.
It's can you pay $50 or $100 a month?
Yes, 50 is fine.
Okay, then I'll set you up with a $50 a month payment plan. We have your cell phone number and your email. We'll mail you a payment plan, okay?
All right, that's fine.
Perfect. All right, you're all set, Mr. Rollins. Thank you very much and have a good day.
You too.
People versus DeJuan Hawkins. Mr. Hawkins, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Oh, wait. Oh, I got you on your iPhone. You're on twice.
Yeah, I didn't know which one. This is my first time on here.
You were confused. Okay, I gotcha. I have a stipulation. We have Mr. Mena on, who's with the who's the prosecutor for the airport, and there's a plea offer that he put in the file that says that if you plead guilty to this firearm in the prohibited area, they'll recommend a deferred sentence for 6 months upon successful completion of the 6-month period, payment of $500 in costs. Your gun will be returned and the case will be dismissed. Are you interested in taking that plea? And or do you want to talk to the court-appointed attorney who I'm letting into the waiting room right now? There he is.
Morning, Judge. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's okay, Mr. Batar. We're short today anyway. We don't have, I have other things, so we only have a short docket. Mr. Hawkins?
Yeah, so you saying if I pay the $600, it gotta be
$500.
Oh, $500.
$500, plead guilty. It's deferred for 6 months. No trouble for 6 months. It's dismissed, and the airport police will return your gun at that point.
Okay, yes, we could do that, yes.
And do you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advisor rights form?
Yes.
And is it true that you were at the airport on August the 24th of this year, and that you attempted to go through the checkpoint with a prohibited item? It was a firearm.
Yes.
All right. I'll accept your plea. Mr. Mena, I don't need to make a notation on these files that you're returning the gun. They just contact you guys at the end.
That's correct, Your Honor. They just contact the airport, tell them their 6 months is completed, and they'll make arrangements for the return of their firearm.
Okay, do you understand that, Mr. Hawkins?
Yes, I got one question. I say if I get pulled over by the police or like traffic ticket or anything, do that contain any traffic ticket?
It doesn't show. Are you asking if it shows? No, under 771, it doesn't show up at all.
Okay.
Do you, are you planning on getting pulled over?
No, you know how like the police just happen to pull you over and you get an unknown ticket or, you know.
An unknown ticket? Okay. Do you need time to pay this, Mr. Hawkins?
Yes, I was gonna see if I can pay it like every month, like $50 or $100 every month.
Okay, do you want me to make it $50 a month?
Yes, please.
I'll do a $50 a month payment plan. Although we don't dismiss it till it's paid off. And so technically you'll go beyond the 6 months if you pay it $50 a month. Do you understand? It'll go to 10 months.
Okay.
You understand? So if you pay it off, we'll dismiss it at the end of the 6 months, okay?
Okay.
And we have your email and your telephone number. We'll send you a payment plan.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, all right, you're all set. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. On the iPhone, on the bottom, what's your last name, ma'am?
Wolford?
Martha?
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Trying to find your file. Hang on 1 second.
Mine was at 9:30.
Pardon?
Mine
Yep.
was
Oh,
at
I see it. I found you. I found you. Oh, I don't have, Mr. Mena, do you know about this case? Are you spinning in your chair, Mr. Batar? What are you doing? You're muted. I'm giving you a hard time.
I'm working on files that are behind me, Judge. I
looked up and you look like you were like spinning around like a little kid. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, okay, what is he doing? You were distracting me.
But only to put files away, not just enjoying myself.
You're enjoying yourself? Okay, good. Didn't mean to call you out, but it just was okay. Anyway, Mr. Mena, on Miss Wolford's case, there's no plea in the file. I don't know if you've had contact with the victim or what's the status.
Your Honor, I was dealing with Ms. Belcher on this.
Judge,
Yeah,
I'm going to.
Are you standing in for her, Mr. Batar?
I am standing in for her, Judge.
So,
Okay.
Your Honor, what we did is we offered her a reduction to a double parking with a $200 fine. I don't know if that's been accepted or not.
No, that's fine. Do you want to do a breakout room with Miss Woodford?
Judge, it's Miss Woodford. Miss Belcher spoke with you about this case, and you're ready to enter a plea on it. Is that correct?
Correct.
Oh,
We're
okay.
ready to do it, Judge.
So it's just a $200 ticket. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is that your understanding, Miss Woodford?
Yes.
And can you pay that if I give you 30 days to pay it? Does that work?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then I'll assess the $200 and pay within 30 days. And you can
Okay,
pay it
thank-
either online, you can come to the court and drop it off, you can mail it. Oh, well, you're in Saginaw, you're not gonna probably drive to the court. You can mail it in or pay it online. If you mail it in, you can send us a check. Paying it online, there is a fee.
Okay. So
Okay.
can I use a debit card? Because I got
You
a debit card.
You can use a debit card, correct?
Okay. Okay. Thank you so
All right.
much, Your Honor.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Don't forget to make that payment, okay?
Okay, I won't.
All right, thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Judge, what was that plea to? I'm sorry, so I can write it on the sheet.
On Wolford,
Yes,
double parking, $200.
thank you.
You're welcome. I have Mr. DeCoster entering. I don't have him on my docket, so I'm not sure. Do you want me to remove you, Miss Wolford?
Mr.
Yes.
DeCoster's the attorney, Judge, on a case on Bergen, I believe.
Got it. Actually, I see that. Good morning, Mr. DeCoster. How are you?
Morning, Your Honor. Just fine. And yourself?
Pretty good. Are you expecting your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, as soon as he jumps on,